Now in today's video, we're taking a look at a case, a durable case with a holster for the Samsung Galaxy Flip 5. This is a unicorn Beetle case, and as we take a look at it here, you notice that it has, this is a mega holster, right? This is bigger than the phone, but this is going to protect your phone. So here you have really robust clip with where you're going to put your flip. Belt loop that's going to secure it there. Definitely not going to come off. This thing is strong. Over here, we have the back. And again, it is going to protect the spine of your phone, which is really nice. And it does have a kickstand. You can see the kickstand comes out right there. And you can see that this is going to give you some great protection. Front facing, again, a little screen protector in there. So we're going to put everything together and see how this looks. I think this is going to be like Iron Man on a phone. So we'll open this up. Slide our phone in here. And I'm probably going to do it from the bottom up just like this. That's going to be easier, just to slide it like that. And there you have it. This thing is serious. This is going to give you a lot of protection. Really nice polycarbonate material. Kickstand opens up. You can use selfie time with the external camera. Or what you can do is open it up. And I'll go ahead and unlock mine for a second. And now I can have it like this as well. That works. If I flip it this way, not going to work so good. So this is going to be for having the phone like this. And let's see, is there a locking mechanism? There is a locking mechanism. Let's see if we can do it. Aha! Works that way as well, right? Just got to lock it in place. Now, let's go ahead. You notice how it's going to give you protection there, protection everywhere. This is really durable. And also, what I like is the actual fingerprint sensor is easy to find. Bring your finger up here, it falls into that place real nicely easy. Now, this is the holster. This is the mega holster. Holster. All right. Let's see. Just something that, how do we connect this in here? I think this works this way or this way. I haven't really connected this yet. All right. I think it goes this way. This is how it goes. There we go. There we go. That's robust. That is really robust. That's not coming out, right? Unless you do something like that. So again, put it in. Just put it in just like this. Snap it in place. You're set to go. And open this up like this. And it comes out. So let's go ahead and see, will it charge? All right, so we get our charger back, bring it in camera, power it up, and it charges. So guys, that was the Unicorn Beetle case for the Samsung Galaxy Flip 5 with a holster. Super durable, super durable. It's going to protect your phone. It's going to add, again, a little weight to it, but if you tend to drop your phone a lot, this is the case for you.